Ever wondered how you can turn your mobile office into a fully functional workspace without the massive weight of a standard printer or the constant nightmare of leaking ink cartridges? If you're a professional on the move, a student balancing classwork between locations, or just someone who hates being tethered to a desk, the Phomemo Portable Wireless Printer is the upgrade that changes everything. This isn't just a printer, it's a high-tech, inkless, and truly travel-ready companion that puts the power of a professional document station right into your backpack or glove box. The brilliance of this device lies in its advanced thermal printing technology. By utilizing a precision-engineered printhead that reacts to heat-sensitive paper, you completely eliminate the need for toner, ribbons, or ink cartridges. This means you never have to deal with mid-print streaks, messy refills, or clogged nozzles again. Whether you're printing out a last-minute contract, shipping labels, lecture notes, or important travel documents, you get sharp, clean, high-definition monochrome output every single time. It's not just convenient, it's cost-effective and environmentally friendly, since there's zero chemical waste. This printer is built specifically for your busy lifestyle. True mobility. At roughly 1.5 pounds and featuring a slim, low-profile design, it's meant to go where you go. It even comes with a custom carry case to ensure it stays protected during your travels. Seamless connectivity. With robust Bluetooth integration, you can pair it with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop in seconds. Whether you use iOS, Android, Windows, or macOS, you're ready to print at the touch of a button. High-capacity efficiency. The integrated, rechargeable battery is designed to handle dozens of full-size 8.5-inch by 11-inch pages on a single charge. You can power it up via USB-C, meaning you can even charge it on the road using a standard power bank or a car adapter. Total versatility. It isn't just for standard letters. Because it's so adaptable, you can use it for everything from high-quality document printing to quick receipts, barcodes, and even specialized labels. If you are tired of searching for a nearby print shop or wasting time troubleshooting traditional printers, this is the ultimate peace of mind tool for your tech kit. It's clean, it's fast, and it's remarkably reliable. Everything a modern, mobile-focused device should be. If you are ready to reclaim your productivity and want to grab this portable printer at the absolute best price, click the link below.